Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. So in the last video we created Google Ads campaign for one of the YouTube videos of a food channel. At that time the channel had subscriber count of 667 and we created one Google Ads campaign so that we can get as many subscribers as possible. Our target was to reach the benchmark of 100 subscribers using Google Ads campaign, and we had around 1200 rupees for that particular ad campaign. Now you might have seen many videos where they will tell you to run Google Ads on YouTube videos and get subscribers, and you can spend only 5 paisa or 2 paisa per views for Google Ads. Now let's see what happened to that ad campaign. Did we receive a view in 5 paisa, 2 paisa, or it took me more money to receive one single view? Those who are new to this video or this YouTube channel can watch the previous video where we created the ad campaign to receive as many views as possible using Google Ads. Alright, so let me tell you what happened with this ad campaign. For the first 5 days the ads were not running. So what we did, we added some keywords to the ad campaign. We added some audience categories and we added some more keywords around the food channel, around recipes. After that it started running the ads. Our initial bid was around 0.17 rupees, that is 17 paisa per view, and the ad ran for one day, and on the first day we received around 1700 views at the cost of around 300 rupees, and we also received around 7 to 8 subscribers in that amount. After that, the next day the ads stopped running. I thought it might be because of Saturday, Sunday. The ads are costlier on Saturday and Sunday, so I just neglected that. After that it did not run for 2 days, so I contacted the Google Ads support to check why the ads are not running. So they told me that you need to increase the bid amount. Earlier it was on 0.17, so they suggested me to increase the bid amount to 0.25 rupees, that is 25 paisa per view. So what I did, I increased the bid amount to 0.20, that is 20 paisa per view, and the ad started running again. So at the end of this ad campaign we spent around 1047 rupees. You can see the analytics here. You can see the analytics of this particular ad campaign here. Now you can see we spent around 1047 rupees and impressions were 72,000, and we received around 5.29k views to that particular video, that is 5,290 something views using this ad campaign. The average CPV was 0.20, so that is around 20 paisa per view we had to pay. So you might have heard that you will receive view in 5 paisa, 2 paisa, and you will receive thousands of views and subscribers using the ad campaigns, but that did not happen with this ad campaign. We had to spend around 20 paisa per view, and when I contacted the Google support, they said that this is a video discovery ad and you have to have around 20 paisa or 25 paisa per view. That is a minimum requirement if you want to run successful campaign. So I guess we have received less number of views as per our expectations, so it did not happen as per our expectation. And you can see that we have received around 5290 views using this ad campaign. You can see it here. Total cost is 1047 rupees, 72,000 paisa, and average CPV is 0.20. And these are the selected keywords that we added later to improve the campaign. You can see that these keywords are around recipes. Now I think the CPV will definitely depend on the category of your YouTube video or the YouTube ad campaign, so it might be different for different kind of ad campaign. So it's not necessary that it will take around, so it is not necessary that all the ad campaigns are costly. There might be some categories where you can receive views in 5 paisa or 2 paisa only, but for the food channel it's definitely not less than 20 paisa per view. Okay, so this is the audiences that we modified later to run the campaign, and mostly the views are from the other countries. For the Indian views we might have to increase the bidding value also. Now let's look at the analytics of the video. Now you can see that the current subscriber number is 709. So earlier it was 667, now it is 709, and we have received around 41 subscribers. Now out of that we can check the analytics of that particular YouTube video where we ran the experiment, Google Ads experiment. So let's see how many subscribers this particular video has received. Now you can see that using this Google Ads campaign we have received around 37 subscribers. So if we calculate, we have spent around 1047 rupees for that particular ad campaign, and we have received around 37 subscribers. So if you calculate, it will be like 28 rupees. Now this calculation shows that in order to get one subscriber we had to spend around 28 rupees using this Google Ads campaign. So in order to, if you calculate the same way, in order to receive 1000 subscribers we will need to spend around 28,000 rupees. That's not true, but we will have to spend more money to get subscribers using the Google Ads for the food channel. This ad campaign is particularly about the food channel, so it might be different for different type of YouTube channels. In future we will also run Google Ads campaign for different type of videos, not the food channels. We will do the ad campaign in different category of YouTube channels. So this was the you can say the review of this particular ad campaign. We were not able to increase the number of subscribers using this 1000 rupees spent on the Google Ads campaign, and I'll do some more campaigns. I'll do some more experiments on Google Ads using different YouTube channels and in different categories, and see what would be the result of spending money on Google Ads to get subscribers for your YouTube channel. So if you have any questions, leave the comment in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.